In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a contact form in WordPress. If you want visitors to be able to reach you directly from your website, adding a contact form is one of the easiest and most useful things you can do. It gives people a simple way to send a message without needing to expose personal contact details on the page. And in WordPress, the process is very straightforward. To begin, go to your site editor. This is where you can visually build and customize the layout and content of your WordPress site. Once you are in the editor, make sure you're on the page or template where you want the contact form to appear. Taking a second here to confirm the correct location will help you avoid placing the form in the wrong area. Next, look to the top left corner of the editor and click the plus icon. This is the block inserter, and it allows you to add new content elements to your page. In WordPress, forms and many other page features are added as blocks. So this is the tool you'll use whenever you want to insert something new into your layout. After opening the block inserter, type the word contact into the search bar. This helps narrow down the available blocks so you can quickly find the one you need. If you have a lot of block options installed, using the search feature is much faster than scrolling through everything manually. When you see contact form in the results, click on it. WordPress will insert the contact form block into your page. At this point, the form should appear directly in the editor, allowing you to preview how it will look within your site's design. This is helpful because you can immediately check whether the placement feels right and whether it fits naturally with the surrounding content. Once the form is added, take a moment to review how it appears on the page. Make sure it's positioned in a section where visitors will easily notice it, such as a contact page or near a call to action. Clear placement can make a big difference in whether people actually use the form. And that's all it takes to create a contact form in WordPress using the site editor. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to preview your page before finishing, just to confirm the form looks clean and works well with the rest of your layout. With just a few clicks, you can make your website much more accessible and user-friendly for anyone who wants to get in touch.